Have you guys ever thought of leaving Pakistan?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
बहुत दफा.
Yeah.
You are here and there.
Here and there. I was living in Canada long enough during my bachelor's that I got citizenship. So I moved back in 2000. This is self-inflicted torture because I love our talent here. There is something that I adore about our talent. I love our stories. I mean, look at the people on this table with me. They're supreme. You know, there's so much potential over here. You know, our dramas were we were like going here, and then somewhere along the way, YouTube banned. Then somewhere along the way, the Pakistan India.
Yeah.
Then somewhere along the way, more censorship. Then banning of so. What gives me hope is that last 3 years, Maula Jat, Joyland, Churels,
Yeah.
these were
Berserk.
outliers. They shouldn't be outliers though, right? They should be we should start getting mainstream about it. So I hope that it converges. I hope that the industry matches the talent that we have, because then it's amazing. That's why I'm here.
You want to leave, right?
I won't be leaving because of my own personal reasons. वरना मुझे honestly पता नहीं ये कहना चाहिए या नहीं कहना चाहिए. मुझे अगर मौका हो और दस्तूर हो तो मैं कल चली जाऊँ. क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर एक पॉइंट ऐसा आया था कि ये सीन हो गया था कि यार मुझसे मैं नहीं रह सकती यहाँ पे. क्योंकि जो हमारी बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ हैं वो जब लग्जरीज में चेंज होते हुए देखी ना मैंने, भाई यहाँ से तो निकलना पड़ेगा, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी नजर आई. उस वक्त एक अजीब सी बात है, पता नहीं क्लिक करे नहीं करे, कोक स्टूडियो आया. और कोक स्टूडियो जब आया तो पूरा सीजन देख के मेरा पूरा फेथ रिवाइव हो गया पाकिस्तानी टैलेंट पे.
हाँ.
एक ना एक दिन ऐसा वक्त आएगा कि इंशाल्लाह जो डिजर्व करता है जो उसको वो मिलेगा. कैसा कैसा टैलेंट हमारे सामने आया और वो दुनिया फाड़ के निकल गया. सो ये एक चीज़ थी जो मैंने कहा कि यार नहीं है, अभी है, होप भी है, टैलेंट भी है, पोटेंशियल भी है और प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है. सो या दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क फॉर मी.
So आपके पास तो nationality है, so और आपके
हाँ,
पास
तो कभी भी जा
भी
सकते
I won't lie. It's
I
a
feel like the
luxury.
only reason that I kind of want to leave and maybe do something bahar, मेरी audience में नहीं चाहती कि सिर्फ पाकिस्तान हो. मैं चाहती हूँ कि it's the rest of the world, and I want to be able to explore it with all of the things that we just spoke about, which is the ban and the censorship and the economy, the money, all of it. Like there's too many reasons for me to not stay. So I'm trying to sing jazz as well, but मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे jazz नहीं चलेगा because यहाँ पे jazz लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा, उनके दिमाग में PC music चलेगा.
नहीं ना करो तो
मैं करना चाहती हूँ, तो मैंने उर्दू में jazz music अपना निकाला है. I mean I'm coming
उर्दू में?
Yes.
Right, okay.
It's very इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की. It's very that vibe. So I'm trying to bring that back here. मुझे अगर कुछ करना भी है पाकिस्तान में, I don't want to conform to the norms. I want to do something that's different.
नौरीन को existential crisis में डाल दिया.
I'm so sorry.
I think a hybrid model is nice, where you can stay here for a few months and
Yeah.
work, and then
Here and there.
here and there.
and then also work bahar bhi, and then also because living bahar is like good for your soul.
It
You can
is.
walk on the streets and
Literally,
not like
yeah.
clean air. You can't
Yeah.
bring
Economy,
air.
guys. Straight up economy, dude. Our
you can
economy is so
dance
bad.
on the streets and no one's gonna judge you.
Literally,
You
yeah.
can make friends easily. You can like mingle. We don't have spaces to mingle here. We don't have
Public
like
spaces.
The community, there's
safe
no,
public spaces. कोई community building की चीज नहीं है. वो हम यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. We can actually try.
अगर हमें
for
करने
that.
दिया जाए.
अगर हमें करने दिया जाए ना, और लोग बाहर कोई आके आपको जो है वो लड़ना ना शुरू हो जाए रास्ते पे आपसे. But then I do love a lot of things about I love the language. I don't want to have like Urdu cut out from my life entirely.
Of course,
नहीं
yeah,
चाहिए.
yeah.
I want to have Urdu in my life. And then also I love the people. I've lived abroad as well. And there are people who are really nice. झूठ नहीं बोलते वो लोग.
Yeah.
But the kind of अपनायत that I feel here from our people, वो मुझे वहाँ पे उस वक्त बहुत मिस हुई थी. I was craving it.